So, ang vlog natin ngayon is about spiritual quotient. So, alam na natin yung lahat ng quotients, yung intelligence quotient, emotional quotient, adverse quotient, survival quotient, yung mga ganyan. Alam na natin yan. Pero tong spiritual quotient daw is ito yung pinaka-basic form of human intelligence. Ito ay ang product ng ating EQ at IQ. Okay? Nakalagay nga dun yung ating presence o yung ating hinaharap multiplied by the sum of the EQ and IQ. Okay? Basically, yun lang siya. Yung presensya natin, sum nung yung hinaharap nating sitwasyon, yung present situation o yung presence, multiplied by the sum of EQ plus IQ. So, yun. Or, kung pag-uusapan naman yung autonomic nervous system, okay, yung spiritual quotient daw is parasympathetic dominance over sympathetic dominance. Yung parasympathetic dominance is yun yung masyado tayong relax. Masyado tayong kalmado. Masyado tayong relax. Pero yung sympathetic dominance, yun yung reaction natin. Yung reaction natin sa ano man ang nasa surroundings natin. Kasi pag parasympathetic, para kang tuod. Wala lang. Pero pag sympathetic dominance ka, it's either you fight or you flight. Ibig sabihin, fight or flight. Pag natitreaten ka, halimbawa, may susuntok sa'yo. So, anong tendency mo? Threaten ka, susuntok ka rin. O dedepensa mo yung sarili mo, or nakita mo yung aso, hahabulin ka. So, anong gagawin mo? Tatakbo ka. So, yun yung sympathetic dominance. Kasi kung parasympathetic dominance yun, may nakita kang aso mahabol sa'yo, relax ka lang. So, yun. Yung wala kang gagawin. So, yung spiritual quotient is yung quotient ng parasympathetic dominance over sympathetic dominance. So, yun, na-explain na natin yung spiritual quotient, no? Sum ng ating emotional quotient and intelligence quotient. So, ibig sabihin, yung pagkatao natin, both emotionally and intellectually, pag pinagsama mo yun yung ating spiritual quotient. Yun lang siya. At kung paano tayo magre-react sa mga bagay-bagay, that is spiritual quotient. So, yun lang po.